Hold on. To go in live with lyric as he interview preps. Then gonna do.
I'm not gonna tag me.
Okay, okay.
Where's the
Live.
credit?
There's Scarlet 3. I didn't know if you want to be.
Let's see. Where's my open source Friday?
Here's fingers crossed.
No, why?
What?
You're just mad.
Was you not? You last time you did an interview
A couple months ago.
Okay. But like it sets the bar lower. It's the case. Is it not? It's in a while. Okay. Let's see. Interview preps. Let's see. Yeah. Wait. It's gonna be him. Twitch.tv Black Girl Bites.
How?
Huh?
That's how you get your
Oh.
TV.
Yeah. Twitch.tv. Oh, I'm not using the right mic. Gotta make sure you can hear your voice.
Check 1, 2.
Oh, wait. Wait, why'd you do that?
I don't know.
I'll do it right now.
I want to see the levels
Right here.
of the. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Why is my picture not? Oh, that's because that's not really me. It's Black Girl Bites one. Yeah. Black Girl Bites was my old one, and I couldn't log back in.
That's crazy.
Okay, cool. I don't know. People will come in or not, but whatever. We're still practicing. And I think I said I was gonna switch this, right? Free code camp. Get started.
It's free.
It's free. Let me see. I wanted people. Yeah, we are. We're gonna. Hey, you guys are here. We are whiteboarding. Also, guys, I got a Raspberry Pi in here. I think this is it. So I was gonna show you all that too.
It's not an actual Raspberry Pi. It's a.
He thought it meant like a pie, like one that you eat.
You said to me like it was normal.
It is normal. When someone says Raspberry Pi.
I think Raspberry Pi.
Okay. Oh, it's like really bright, so we can't see. But yeah, I got it. Anyways, we're gonna do. Let me share my screen. We are going to try to practice because I get that pie. Let me share my screen. But yeah, we're going to try to practice because first off, I guess you disagreed with me that you haven't done interview prep in years, but like really hard, tough interview prep. You did some.
That's true.
But like
yeah.
So I decided to use Free Code Camp because they have a coding algorithms one, and I think we'll get in the least arguments because of me. Like I feel like when I see other interview stuff that's not straightforward, and they're like, oh, if you have N light bulbs, I start thinking about why they got light bulbs and stuff. So I don't want to lead Derek off course. So let's just try this out. Putting Derek on black? No. I haven't done a lot of okay. I'm planning to not do no algorithmic interview prep for the rest of my life, or like interviews. I'll prep, but so I didn't mean it anyway. Reset all code. All right, let's get started.
Let's get started. You want to type? I could drive.
You want to be the?
No, you could type, and I can tell you what to type.
Oh, I thought the driver was the one that was typing.
I don't know.
Yeah, like the navigator's the talker.
Oh, the navigator. I never heard the navigator.
Oh, okay.
I just heard driver and blank. You want to drive? Sure, I'll drive.
Okay. So you want me to be the typer?
Yeah.
Oh God. Okay. Dang it! I was gonna make you be the typer.
That's okay, but I'm gonna. we gotta go through it. Let's go through it.
Okay.
Read the question for us though.
Okay. The mathematical term symmetric difference, and then they got the delta and whatever that sign is, of two sets is a set of elements which are in either of two sets but not in both. For example, for sets A equals 1, 2, 3 and B equals 2, 3, 4, A, and then I guess that's delta or whatever, 1, 4 is 1, 4. Do you remember these mathematical symbols? I don't. Are they like union and doesn't matter. Okay, sorry, this is my problem. I always get focused on that. Sorry. Symmetric difference in a binary symmetric difference is a binary operation, which means it operates on two elements. So to evaluate an expression involving symmetric differences among three elements, A, B, and C, you must complete one operation at a time. Thus, for sets A and B above, C equals 2 and 3, A, B, C equals A and B, blah, blah, blah. Basically, they're telling us create a function that takes two arrays and returns an array of symmetric differences. So only the unique values.
Only the unique values, huh?
This is set theory. Thank you, Bakari. I'm like, I remember something about this a little bit. Yeah. So like, I guess like for this example here, we're gonna be returning 5 and 4. Okay.
5 and 4.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. You wanna check the arrays, and then you wanna get back the ones that have the different numbers. Okay.
Yeah, and you want to put
it
in a new array.
New array. You want to do an in. What's it called?
Oh, I guess it's in order. I don't know.
Like numerical order. Yeah, it looks like it's in numerical order. Like 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think so.
You probably have to sort it.
What's your idea? My idea is iterate through the arrays and then compare the two arrays and then push the differences into a new array.
Yeah, sounds about right. I usually do it in a bad way first. Get the answer right.
That's what I was gonna do. I was like, oh crap. I was gonna do it a bad way and then bother you and be like, but how can you make this optimal?
How can you make it? So you get the arguments, returning arguments.
Yeah.
You pass in 2 and 2.
Yeah.
But you don't even pass in one argument though.
But can we just like manipulate it? Because it doesn't make how can you only pass in one argument? Because look, console.log args. What's that going to console log? 1, 2, 3. It didn't even console log the other one. Can we just put in another arg?
Just wanted to make sure that it was trying to trick us or anything.
I don't know.
Because sometimes they'd be like, "Oh, write this function." They have the params, the arguments already passed in.
That's true.
So I was like, "Is only one argument passed in?" But I see 2 right in front of me though.
Gotcha.
So I wanted to make sure.
Gotcha. AJ says, "Screw this junk. No programmer needs to know this." It's worth learning, but only because interviews insist on testing for it. It's like high school over. I agree. I don't really care to remember this stuff, but we got to get him that job. And then, hi Ramon. Oh wait, I think Ramon's boot camp. It was like him going through this stuff. So if he gets stuck, he probably will know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's pass it arg1 and arg2.
Okay. arg1, arg2.
Yeah. Or let's call it array 1 and array 2.
Okay.
Because it's easier to.
You want me to say like the whole world?
No, AR is fine.
Okay.
Cool. So now we got both of them.
Okay.
So let's make a variable or do let.
Is this for the array?
Yeah, we'll do a couple arrays here because I'm bougie.
Okay.
So we're gonna do let. Let's do it sorted array 1.
Sorted array 1.
Yeah, that equals array. No, put that as array 1 dot sort.
Oh, you making sure it's sorted?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Because I'm like, it'd be easier to compare the arrays if they're all in like order,
Oh, like you're saying if there's other examples beyond that. Okay, gotcha. And then sorted array 2?
Yeah, you got it.
It feels like I'm the one learning. Her prepping.
No.
But Kari said he smells a hash table coming.
Oh, absolutely.
That's like your favorite one.
That's the only one.
That's the hash map.
You can never be outdone with the hash map.
Okay, next.
Okay, cool. And then we could probably do let SD.
SD
No, let's do let difference array or diff array.
diff array
Yeah, equal empty array.
empty array. Oh, sorry. I was like empty array.
Yeah.
Okay, we got that. While you thinking, I'm gonna read the. Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Okay.
I'm just trying to think if this is how I want to do it. If you
Okay.
want to spin it around, I'm like, there might be a better way.
Wait, I'm gonna talk to the chat. Ramon said, "Oh, AJ said I quit my boot camp by this time we got to this stuff." I don't know. In Resilient Coders, we did like fizz buzz, but I don't remember doing more.
Yeah, we didn't do too much after that.
At fizz buzz, at first it was so hard, and then I was like, "Yes, I got it!" And then I realized there's like way harder ones. And then Ramon said, "Never seen this side of free code camp. Interesting." Oh my god! I keep trying to tell people about it, but nobody believes me. I'm like, you can just use free code camp to study, and they're like, "What are you talking about?" And then someone said, "Rebels for the win," and then I already said a small house chat coming. And hey, homie coder, thanks for watching. I like this better. Now I don't have to be the one thinking.
Yeah. We'll be right back. We'll grab something real fast.
What are you grabbing? A cheat sheet?
No. Probably.
But, well, while he's gone, we can talk about I did outcode. Oh my god, I've been telling Derek to do outcode. You think it was worth it? Hey, Brandon. So Derek walked away. Oh, he's back. He's trying to think of how to solve this with his hash map that he always uses. Was outcode worth it? Bakari did outcode. He said yes.
Yes.
It's expensive, but I'm like, I'm willing to invest.
Yeah.
So that you don't have to study on your own. You're gonna see. Oh, sorry. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
It's cool. Cool. Then we'll do let diff and of.
Let who?
Let diff of.
Let div of.
Ob. OBJ.
Oh, you're doing an object.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
You're an empty object.
Okay. I thought you meant like you were like, I don't know.
We could do sort array 1.
Okay, sorted array 1.
For each, yeah.
So you're looping through it now.
Just do it now.
Okay.
And then you just do num. NUM.
Sorry. Oh wait.
Arrow function, yeah.
Arrow function. Okay, I literally only code when I'm on here, so you have to remind me how to.
You gotta put the arrow in the parentheses. There you go.
And then
yeah, we got the brackets, and then the parentheses go outside the brackets. Nice. So now we got num, and then we're gonna do if.
I spelled it wrong. All right, go ahead.
I do if parentheses. Do question mark, not question mark. Exclamation point.
Oh, if it's not.
Yeah, if different object
doesn't have it or something like that.
So put the square brackets. And it's the square brackets put num.
Okay.
Yeah. In the brackets, yep. And then we're gonna do if ob. And then do the square brackets again. And put num equals 0.
What? Hold on. So you can iterate through the sorted array, and like each thing is called num, and then if def obj doesn't have that particular number, then you're gonna set it to 0.
Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm creating the key value pairs. So like if the key of nums, let's say num's 1, if the object doesn't have 1 in it, make that key and set it to 0. And then outside of the brackets.
Okay.
Right in there, yeah.
New line?
Yeah. We're gonna do diff ob.
Yeah.
Bracket, square brackets. num, and then we're gonna do num plus plus or plus plus. Yeah, there we go. So if you do find that key, we're gonna put it up +1. So like my end goal. This is a really long way to do this, but my end goal is to be able to see which numbers only occur once.
So it's gonna look like this. So like the number 1 occurs 3 times, number 2 occurs 4 times, something like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
That's the end goal, and then I can go in and be like, which one has 1 occurrence.
Gotcha. Homie Coder said, "Can I intro you?"
Intro me?
Yeah, I didn't do an intro. You're right. I just hopped on. So this is Derek. He's my husband, and we're studying for interviews.
Yeah.
So that Derek can work at Spotify.
One day.
Today.
I'm trying to, see what the path it has fed in me. I gotta practice, so this, I had a couple of days of rest, but now we're back in this thing.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to do these coding problems, out the chip. I got a notebook next to me.
Got a notebook
with some equations I'd be using for these things. So if you see me looking at it, that's what I'm looking at.
Oh yeah. Wait. I'm gonna remove our names because now I'm all stressed out. Cause like you see it, guys. People commented on my YouTube videos that I'm not wearing clothes, and it makes me nervous. It's just the name that's over my clothes. So I am. Just so you know. Nobody say that. But keep going.
Huh?
What?
That's okay. And then we got this copy and paste line 7 and line 12.
To first ordered array 2?
Yeah, exactly. Line 7 and line 12.
Sorry. Oh no. I'm sorry. Being the typer scary. Shadow, what do you drop it? Okay, line 7 to line 12.
There we go.
Focus.
Do for the same thing. Yeah, there you go.
Mm-hmm.
And then this console log, go make a new line of 18. In the console log, let's take a look at it. Can you put it in brackets too?
You really like that.
I like it. Just helps me to see what it like. I like the label. Okay. I like the label.
Okay. So
one occurs twice, 2 occurs twice, 3 occurs once, 4 occurs once, and 5 occurs once.
Okay. Hold on. I want to go back to the comments. That's my main concern. Okay. They said they see you with the algo chunks.
Yeah. Now make a new line at 18. There we go. And then let's just do another value.
Like a variable?
Yeah. Let num values equal different dot values, parentheses. And then make a new line after 19.
Not inside of there?
Not inside of, yeah. Now I'm just making an array of values for my
Is that what dot values does?
Yeah.
What?
I learned that the other day.
Hold on. Why is it not printed out?
Why not?
Because this is an object, right?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh no, I think it's object.keys. Oh yeah, so type the word object in front of different object.
That makes more sense, right?
Yeah, object dot keys and then parentheses object. Yeah, there we go. I was like,
I know that thing.
There we go. Yeah. So now we got our keys. So now what we're gonna do another new line for 19.
Yeah. Okay.
And then do num values dot for each. And then we're gonna do key. There we go. And then we'll do an if statement if diff ob and square brackets and then per key is not greater than 1.
What? Okay.
Or
You were just gonna
no
say
no
if
yeah
it's
if diff of keys equals 1. There you go.
okay. Because I
I'm
was like,
wilding.
huh?
I'm wilding. And then just do scroll up to the top.
Okay.
Diff array dot push key.
Different push. Okay, I really see where you're going. I like it.
Yeah, I'm like, this is a lot of lines of code, but we'll get the job done, and then we can go back and see how we can optimize it.
Yeah, that's okay. It doesn't even look like it's not like it's not going. There's no like nested loops or anything like that. So I think it's alright for
Yeah.
now.
And then just console
console log
log,
diff array.
console log array. What was it called again? Diff array. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, because that's the one that got it now.
I got confused with diff array and diff ops.
No worries.
3, 4, 5. Oh, we don't have to sort it. Nice.
Perfect. Let's try to return it and see if the test run. Return diff array. Run test. Hello? Oh, we didn't get some. What?
This one should return 3, 4, 5. They said we got that wrong. Shit could only contain 3 elements.
Wait, did I do something wrong?
I don't know.
I'm confused.
It's right to me. It said it should run 3, 4, 5. I think it's because we changed the arguments, maybe.
Oh.
But
So far, this is linear. Oh, strings? Are these strings right now? Sorry, let me console log it again and remove. I can't even see. How do I?
Oh, those strings?
Yeah. How did they get converted into strings? Because that makes no sense to me.
Let's see if ours.
We can just do parseInt or something somewhere, but
maybe it
I'm trying to console log it, but
I wonder if we can clear the console.
What I might do is just copy and paste this, and then say reset all code, reset, and then paste it back in because I don't know how to do that.
There you go.
3, 4, 5. They are strings. Thank you, Bakari.
Coming through strings. With the so we need to make it back into numbers. That's right.
Keys are always strings.
Yes, right. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So we can just do parseInt on each key or something like that. Is that right?
I think so.
Should I do?
You just
in here, parseInt it.
I think you do it right inside the different rate push.
Okay. I don't know how to do parseInt.
Yeah, I was like, you can Google it real fast if you wanted to.
Do this. Yes.
Hey, okay, there you go.
Cool. And then when we return it, we should get run test. Oh, some of them are still not right. 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 1, 4 should return 3, 4, 5.
Oh, maybe sometime.
Oh.
Actually, no, because 3 occurs once. I wonder what that one returned.
Can we try it? Can we try it in here?
Yeah, let's put the test in there and see what I think I know what we did wrong, but I want to see it to confirm it.
Okay. I was surprised that they didn't argue with you. I feel like it's because you're the one type. I mean, you're just telling me what to do. Because I'm always like, no.
That's not what you gotta do.
Yeah. Console log. Different. Thank you, Bakari. Appreciate you. 4, 5. It didn't return 3
because we counted 3 twice in our object array. In a different object. Because technically 3 is twice, but it came once in between. Oh, wow.
Okay. So we need to figure out a way to consider that as a duplicate.
Yeah, if it's the same in the same array, don't push it in there.
Yeah.
Or don't count it.
Yeah.
So we have to adjust our if statement when we build the object out.
Yeah. So what we gotta do? We could say No, I'm gonna let you go.
Let's see.
Um,
Let's see. We got to account for if it's already in the array. Don't
Mhm.
count it twice.
mhm.
Okay. On line 11, make a new line. Or I mean line 10 now.
Okay.
There we go. Do an if statement, and we got to do if sorted array 1.
Let me stop.
Okay. What did you stop it for?
I don't know.
Like, don't get nervous. It's sorted array 1. I'm trying to think, this might not work. Well, like it might work. I'm trying to do like dot includes.
Oh. Wait,
Um,
no.
but I'm like, of course we would.
Could we make I don't know. Can you filter it? Dot filter?
Yeah, we could.
I don't remember how to check though.
I don't know how you want to use dot filter. You want to like search to see.
No plans. Hold on. No, what I was gonna search would be cheating. Hold on. Let me look at just regular filter examples. Filter array JavaScript. Like in this example though, they're filtering for words that are like have 6 letters.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily what I want.
Exactly. I'm like, how do I want to account if the number is already in there?
Could you just do a similar thing like you did for diff obj? Like you can make like another object for each array and do a hash map there. Does that make sense or no?
Maybe. I keep trying to see what you mean. I'm just trying to think of how we can include that but not include it twice.
Gotcha. Yeah, I guess you could say dot includes 2. It returns a true or false, right? So we can say dot includes num, and it'll return a true or false. And if it's true, then you don't.
Oh, I think I might have one. Oh, go
Okay,
ahead.
never mind. Can you loop through and if the same number more than once index, you reject it? I don't know. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Because I was like, if it includes it, then don't add it into the thingy. But what was you gonna say?
No, I got just jumbled.
I'm sorry. That's
I
what
was thinking like something like I think that's a good idea too.
Mhm.
I'm thinking maybe like setting a variable and making it go up by 1. And like if the index, because these arrays are sorted, so the index equals, or the number at the index equals the number that we're counting, then we want to keep it. If it doesn't, then we don't want to keep it. I think that might work.
What yours?
Do a new line at I think no, they get the same thing, which I'm saying the same thing.
Are you? I don't think you should increase the number.
Well, it's kind of like think about it this way. I'm using the number to get the index. So like if the number that comes in from the for loop equals the number that it was in the index. So like say for scroll down. I don't think you're just not understanding me. So you don't think I'm not saying the same thing. We're saying the same thing.
Okay.
Just go down to the example of the you see how 1, 2, 3, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Like say I have a number, the index starts at 0, so we check 1, and the number is 1. We check to see that okay, so 101 that's the same thing. Okay, cool. And then we check the next index is 2. Is 2 what our num should be? And if it is, then we go. And if it then we click 3, okay, 3, go to our next index 3. Is 3 matching our number 3? Because it should be 3. And then, okay, cool. Our next index is 3. Our next number should be 4. Is 3, 4 the same? No, it's 3 again, so we should reject it.
Okay. Go ahead.
Something like that.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Make a new line on 7 and 8. Let's just do let counter equal. I want counter be counter. I want it to start at 0. I think, yeah. And then if, or on line 12, erase inside the if statement. Don't erase it yourself if I erase everything inside.
Then let inside it.
Well, I meant inside the parentheses.
Oh. Okay.
Cool, because we're going to do another if statement instead.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what do I want to do? Now, if sorted array at do square brackets, do counter. So that's be 0 and num equals 1. No, that wouldn't work. This might not work. I'm thinking about it. So let's see. If sort array counter is at 0. Right next, because some arrays might have 0 in it, so I don't want to exclude 0 from it. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Sort array that. Oh, I got it. If sort array counter equals sort array counter plus 1. Or I bad. Do sort array 1 counter.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. I'm confused though, but whatever.
What do you mean? What part are you confused at?
So if sorted array counter, sorted array 1 counter equals sorted array 1 counter?
Plus 1.
Oh, okay.
There you go. And if it is, then, or I want to do it backwards. No, go back.
Oh.
Don't do equal, do does not equal.
Oh.
And then diff op plus number plus plus. There we go.
I'm not seeing the vision, but I'm just going to trust you.
See if that works.
Okay.
Do the same thing for
Want me to console log it first?
Yeah.
Oh, it did 4-5.
But do the same thing for the second one.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, sorry. It was right after this. We replaced that instead.
Yeah.
There's no counter in here, so we add a counter. Equals 0. Let's.
Oh, then we need to add counter plus plus 2. Or after I put a new line after 25 after the bracket.
So that it can actually increase.
Counting to increase. And I do the same thing for the other function too.
And this should be sorted array 2. Give me a second. I don't fully agree with this approach, but I also don't have a solution. So.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Now we want to console log a different ob.
Diff ob?
Yeah.
Diff ob.
Let's see if it actually works. 1, 2, 2 is 2, 3 is 2. Oh, so still counted, huh?
No semicolons. Hey Ian, we're studying.
See, so it still counted 3 twice, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't write semicolons unless it's like a iffy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. But okay, sorry. We're gonna redo this.
So we need to change our approach.
Cause wait, hold on. I thought it did it right. It counted 3.
It should only count 3 once.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because I was thinking, right, if sort array a counter is 0, 0 would be 1. Because the will be passed in the array. This one,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then sort array 1 a counter plus 1. So that's the next index. So it's index 1. So the next number is 2.
Mm-hmm.
They don't equal each other.
Mm-hmm.
So diff of a num goes up by 1.
Mm-hmm.
Now we loop through again. If and we will counter plus plus. So we go to now counter to 1. So sort of like index 1, that's 2. And counter index 2, that's 3. They don't equal. So different object at number plus plus.
Mm-hmm.
And now we have, you loop again, counter is now at 2. So disorder rate 2, or at 0, 1, 2, 3. At sort array at index 3, which is also 3 here. They equal. So this shouldn't go up, in my opinion. But it did anyway.
Mm. I was thinking this is probably a long, really bad route, but I was thinking we created an array of all the seen and not seen elements, right? And then if it's you loop through this array, and if it's your first time seeing it, you put it in the seen array. If you already saw it before, or if it already exists in the seen array, you put it in here. But I'm probably making this mad confusing.
No, it makes sense. I remember seeing something like that before in my studies. It might be even a better idea than I was trying to do. Mine was mad complicated.
But I don't know how to. I don't know how to do the way that I'm trying to say. So.
Let's see if we can figure a way to do it.
Okay. Or we might not even need to move it into seen and not seen. I don't know.
That makes sense. Just gotta figure out how to incorporate it.
Or we can just leave it. We can leave it in the sorted array. And if we already seen it before, we put it into the seen array only. Right? Like we pop it out. Like array.pop. Split the array into 2 arrays. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Okay.
Then we do.
Should I delete this part?
Yeah.
Okay. And then oh, you were agreeing with me. Okay. I don't know. Okay, cool. And then I just feel very unconfident, but let's just see whatever happens. And every time, so we're already looping through that sorted array. How do I determine that I already seen it before? Like, um, if I say, like, does this index? Or I guess we'll have to use the counter thing again because we're not. I'm so used to using like a regular for loop for this or something that I can compare the index for. But like if we say if I don't know.
It's okay. We even start over. Just comment everything out. Just go back to the seen and not seen. So that we're not like trying to configure the way what we already did into what we're trying to do now.
Okay. Let's do that. I'm gonna put it somewhere else, like underneath, cause. So, I'm gonna just use the regular for loops.
And then yeah.
But you keep telling me stuff, cause I'm. Oh wait, what about the for in loops? Does that have an index? You know these loops? Clearly, I always look this up. For
Yeah, I thought
in.
that's for objects though.
They got one for arrays.
Oh.
I know that. Oh, it's for of whatever. Does that have an index? Let me see something. Okay. I think we can use this. Okay. So we could say key. I want to do like just in case we gotta change something. Key value of sorted array 1, and then I'm just gonna see what it prints out. Oh, unexpected token. What did I do wrong?
Did it get uncommented out by accident?
Log boat. See what the key is. Yeah, I'm gonna put this somewhere else on notes because maybe it's not understanding that these are commented out. Exit. Okay. Did I delete more than needed? Oh, okay. Cool. That was what was going on. Oh, so I'm gonna console log that and then console log key. It's not console logging anything.
Maybe it does need to be constant. Oh.
Wait. I'm just gonna reset all of it. I'm sorry. I messed up somewhere. If this is all wrong, I'm just gonna let you go back to doing you because sorted R1, sorted R2, and then what is the error? What do you guys have a problem with?
He called it on the argument sorted R1. You can just call it R1.
Oh, sorry, that's why. R1.
There you go.
R2. Sorry about that. Then a valid attempt to destructure. Oh, so I can't do that?
Maybe change like the const, see what happens.
Okay. I actually didn't look at the example well, so oh, this is because it had a map and it actually had a key and a value. Okay. I'll just do this. I'll put it back to value. I don't know how you could see. Can you see if there's any like sorted R1 value? I don't know. I lied to you. I'm just gonna go back to the regular one. For let I equal 0. I is less than the length. Plus, and then I think it was sorted array 1, sorted R1. Like I was thinking, you know, do you get where I'm trying to go? Or no?
Kinda. What are you trying to do?
Like, I'm just trying to say, like, okay, for each index, we'll be able to like compare. Well, now we know like at what index each one of them is at. So if we have like two threes in here, we can say like if um the if the index at this part of it is the same, like we'll split it into two arrays, and if we're like if at index 2 it's the same as index 3, then we push it into the scene or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was trying to do.
Got it. Got it. Do like
I'm gonna call this key and not I, because I'm gonna call it index because I don't like the word I. All right, keep going.
we do like if sorted array, or put the exclamation point in front of sorted array. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sorted array, square brackets, I. Yep. Index. Then C not push index. We don't get 0. No, we don't want to.
Bye, Bakari. Thanks for helping in. Let's see what happens.
Oh, sorted array index. Yeah, there we go. Do C not push sorted array index.
Oh, yeah. You're right, because we were just pushing the actual index. Sorry.
There we go.
Or we could just pop it off of the sorted array.
True.
And then, but let's just see. Let's just see what happens. Should we? Do you want a console log scene?
Yeah. It should be
empty. Like, I was trying to say, like,
or did I do it wrong?
If the well, we will have to compare each element to each one. Like we'll have to compare 1 and 2, and then 2 and 3, and then 3 and 3. But like I feel like my idea made it like really hard.
No, it's okay. I was kind of thinking it's like I was gonna do 2 loops.
You're gonna do 2 loops? We might have to, I guess.
I was gonna loop the first sort array,
mm-hmm.
push the values that's been seen in there, and then compare the second loop to what's in scene. If it's in scene, push it in there. If it's not, push it in not seen.
Yeah, I think we gotta do that, and then we could just fix it later.
We would just return not seen.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I was kind of trying to do right there, but maybe I did it incorrectly.
Like, for...
No, not like that. I wasn't going to do it nested.
Oh. I thought that's what you were saying.
We could even do like 2 for each loops too if we really wanted to.
Okay. Tell me how, if you know. Because I was going to do a nested one, even though that's bad.
It's like make a new line of 5.
Yeah, loop through the first array and keep uniques. Yeah. Okay, so go ahead. What?
Or count console log 6 to 10.
Common out 6 to 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So sorted array
1.
Dot for each.
Arrow statement, yeah. And then kind of do what I was doing before. I wonder if that's the right way to do it though.
Okay.
Because it didn't work in the for loop. So I wonder if it would even work in this instance.
Oh, you want me to just kind of copy and paste this?
Yeah. Face index was num.
I think a nested for loop.
I don't want to do I'm not doing a nested for loop.
Okay.
Get rid of the square brackets. And then do dot. And then instead of sorted array, do scene. Hey man, you asked for my advice. And you
No.
always you asked for my. I didn't do dot C. I meant get rid of the sort array altogether.
Oh, that's why I was like, what? This is a variable. Okay. If seen has it. Go ahead.
Yeah. And do exclamation point in front of scene.
Okay.
That includes.
Okay. If seen doesn't include the num,
Yeah.
then
Then
push it in
num.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that.
You know, do the same thing for copy and paste it all. Do the same thing for sorted array 2.
Yeah. This I like. This I
Oh, and
like.
then after 14, do it on a line.
Who? Oh, okay. And then what we
No,
doing?
go back.
Okay.
You see the bracket of there you go. Not seen that push num.
We might not even need the two different ones. We just needed one with what we wanted. We just need seen.
Yeah, I think it's the scene. Yeah,
And
you're right. We don't need not seen at all.
Yeah.
So let's do the same thing for sorted array 2. Remove the not seen part. Same for 15. Line 15. There you go.
But now we have one without duplicates.
Yeah.
Which is perfect. Do we still got to do your hash table thing?
I don't think so. But let's just see what scene is right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've seen 5 already. So we need to go, or this is not how I kind of want to do it. Let's see. So
I got confused. The other one's duplicate. Sorry.
You want to put up what's not duplicate.
Well, okay. Hold on. We gotta put this into. Okay, hold on. So we can say scene sorted array 1, and then scene. So I'm sorry if I'm making your life confusing. Scene sorted array 2. Should I paste a possible solution? Maybe, but I want to force us to get it. if we're still stuck on it, and it's 15 more minutes from now, then paste it. But let's just try to get it. And I think I'm making it a little bit slower, but because I'm sure you would have gotten it if I'm not confusing it. But right, so right, you have your scene sorted array 1, your scene sorted array 2.
Oh, and
Oh, okay, sorry.
I just want to try one more thing before we do something like that.
Okay.
So I'm in the second for
Mm-hmm.
outside make a new line after 19.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe this one not seeing that push. No. And then console log not seen. This is 1, 2, 4, 5 not seen. No, I didn't want to do it in both of them. Just that one.
But this one doesn't have any duplicates.
It's true, but we pushed numbers in scene array already. Like if you console log scene array between 15 and 16,
mm-hmm.
It'll give you 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to do it?
What? No, I'm doing it. What do you? What am I supposed to be doing?
Between 15 and 16 to a new line.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
If you do console log scene, outside of the for each. Yeah.
So we're close.
Scenes 1, 2, 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So my thinking was we compare the second array to scene, and if it's in there, we don't want to do anything. If it's not in there, you want to push it to not seen, and the answer should be not seen.
Okay.
Because not seen is the numbers that are was only in one of them, and that was the answer, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. The answer should be 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, no, we want the ones that are the same, right?
We're doing two different things, right? Like the first thing we did with the hash map, which is when we only show the duplicates between the two arrays, and then but this part is where we're just showing the duplicate in one. The unique values in one array.
Well, I think I had my answer correctly. I thought we wanted to return the ones that are only unique to each individual array, but we want the ones that are unique to both arrays.
Yeah, because that's what you did here.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we realized there's that case of like if there's duplicates inside of an array. So I was like, we basically got both of these. I'm like, we just changed the name of these to be I don't know how to say. I'm trying to say. Okay, basically, what I'm trying to say, which is making it a little bit longer, right? We just changed both of these arrays to like scene sorted array 1, scene sorted array 2, and then we take your hash map thingy and we do everything we did here, but just change the name to scene sorted array 1 and 2.
Oh, okay.
Do you get me?
Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. Like, delete this. And then, so this is not seen. This is sorted.
Oh, delete the all together.
What?
17.
No, it's good still.
But then what would we do between line 14 and 16?
I'm confused.
Remember, we're not pushing not see anymore.
We're pushing because it's going to be called scene sorted array 2.
So on line, let's just start with sorted array 1 first. On line 7, right? Okay. Change scene to scene sorted array 1. No, you could delete the.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
Now on line 8, you see where it says if it's not in scene?
Yeah.
Change that to scene sorted array 1.
That's what I'm doing.
No, but you were doing I was trying to tell you we don't need that not seen push part. And you're like, then what are we going to do with it then? And I was trying to tell you that was a mistake.
No, I think okay, go ahead. Let me just do what you're doing.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And then on line 15, do the same thing. Sort array 2. Same thing on line 15 and 16. And I don't believe we need line 18. You believe we need line 18.
Okay.
But I don't believe we need line 18.
We'll see.
Hey man, you can just take over if you want to take over.
No, I don't. I was just saying, I think we still need it. We just need to change the name of it.
Okay.
Wait, so what do you think you're here?
No, go ahead. Change the 18 back to.
Okay. Cause I'm like, this is the scene sorted array 2, right? Oh my god, now I'll confuse myself. Oh, this is what's happening here. Scene is not a thing. Hold on. I said confuse myself. What happened?
Oh, I see it.
We didn't use sorted array 2 somewhere.
On line 14. Change line 14, yeah. There you go.
Okay. So you said we don't need this.
No, yeah, we don't need that line.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right.
I'm not bugging, but I'm like, you don't believe me, so.
I'm sorry. I did not believe you. I was like, we do need it. And you're not listening. Okay. Okay, now we could do the hash map that you had. The hash map stuff. We just gotta change all of these to say scene sorted array.
What's up, man?
Okay. So I'm gonna call this scene sorted array 1, and then I'm gonna call this scene sorted array 2, and then It's not defined?
Is it not on the you might I think you're outside the function. Like the function ends at line 20, but you pasted everything outside of it.
That's true. You're right. Okay, it's just too big. Hold on. Let me just make it small. To like copy everything. Because I gotta scroll and copy. In here. Pull this up. Okay, what do you think about the values?
Okay, so now it's not calculating the value. So we gotta you must have missed something somewhere.
Yeah, I
okay,
did.
so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's doing it, but it's not counting. Oh, I see what you did.
What I did.
On line 27, do diff num plus plus.
Oh, because we took that out.
Yeah.
Was it diff num plus plus? Or diff obj num? Okay. Plus, and then on another
Same
line,
thing.
we gotta do that.
Line 34.
Here.
Yeah.
Diff obj num. Okay, after, if this works, I want to see what another solution was that homie coder found. We're not even using the counter anymore and all that.
Yeah, get rid of the counter.
Delete. Okay, what do you think of the results?
Okay, now we should be getting what we want now.
Okay. Huh?
No, we didn't. We gotta finish it.
Oh, I didn't return it either.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You want to return. We had an array that we pushed the objects to.
Oh yeah, we want to return diff array.
Yeah.
Thank you. Return diff array. Wait, I want to console log diff array just to make sure. 345. That's what we want. All right, return. Yeah.
Oh, something didn't pass. Why?
125 235. Do I have a meeting?
Oh, it didn't pass because we didn't pass in 3 arguments.
Ugh. Oh my god.
How many? What is the max number of arguments can we get?
I thought they said comparing 2 arrays. Now they're telling us comparing
6 arrays, 8 arrays, 10 arrays.
Should we get the answer or?
I mean, you're close.
Okay, you want to keep trying?
I wonder if there's a way we could do it where it doesn't matter how many objects come in.
Yeah, that's true. Because we've just been doing one at a time.
Yeah.
I mean, 2, like those 2.
Like, I wonder if there's a way.
I don't know. That was
because it looks like they're just passing more and more objects in at each time.
I lost the thing from my ear. Sorry. Yeah, it does. I just feel like the instructions are misleading. Oh no, it says takes 2 or more arrays.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're not accounting for if it passes 3 arrays, passes 4. So like we have to do it in a way that takes an unlimited number of arguments.
No answer here. Got the same you did. Can you put the link in the chat? What do you mean? You want me to put
the question? Like the free code camp link.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
was only ready for
2
2
arrays.
I know, me too.
It was like 3, 4,
They're
5
tricking me.
arrays.
There's the link right there. Hopefully you can see it, because I know on GitHubs they like remove all of it. Oh man, they got me.
It got me too. I was only prepared for the 2 arrays.
Yeah. Shall we just comment this out and then start over?
I guess.
And just we can refer back to it.
Yeah.
Go free code camp. You guys doing this for fun? No. I'm kidding. Well, I'm kind of doing it for fun, but to help Derek study because he's interview prepping because he's going to start interviewing. But for me, it's for fun because I don't get to code a lot. As you can see by my answers here. Okay. Reset all code.
See, I knew it was weird that they're only passing in one argument. Like,
oh, so but I just don't get how
console log arguments. Yeah,
that's what I did, and it only printed out. It only printed out that first one, so I didn't understand how it could be what you interview it for. He's trying to go to. We're speaking it into existence. Say the name of the company.
I want to say it.
Okay, he's trying to go to Spotify.
I am.
Or there's other places too, but we gotta put it out there. Is that our console output, or is that from the test? Because it only got 1, 2, 3. Those are from the test.
I run the tests. What's it doing? Oh, so it is processing all of them in, but like one at a time. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 5. What the test was like 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4. Wait, what are you doing? You're not even.
Oh, as a software engineer, homie coder, Derek was a software engineer at Wayfair, and now he's moving on.
Yes, this is correct. He's got 1, 2, 3.
I don't get it.
Yeah, me too. I'm like, how are the arguments coming in? I don't even see this one. 5, 2, 1, 4. I guess it's down here. Is it sorted for us? No.
I thought those were the console output from running the test.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I'm checking the test arguments to see if they match with the output, right?
Oh, gotcha.
Because I'm like, what is args? This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm like, all right, but I don't see all the args in here.
Yeah.
What does recode? Does Code Camp have an answer for us? I want to see what they have for this.
Oh, I didn't think you would say that. Should we get a hint?
Yeah.
Problem explanation. They got a YouTube video and some hints. Which one do you want to do? And they got the solutions right here. Front end, back end. Derek's full stack with more of a focus on front end. Sorry.
Yeah.
All right. Hint 1. The argument object is an array-like object that inherits array length property, hence converting it to an actual array. All right.
Dean writing a helper function that returns the symmetric difference of 2 arrays on each call instead of attending the difference of all sets. Oh, they want us to write another function.
A helper function.
Yeah.
Apply helper function against the created arguments, reducing its elements pairwise recursively to form.
I knew it. I knew they wanted to use recursion for this one. That's the only way this could be possible, and I didn't want to do it because I'm not comfortable with recursion, so I didn't want to do it that way. Okay. But I knew it.
Let's see. Want to look at the solutions?
Yeah.
Okay. The first solution here, they made a function called sim.
So that's their. That's the function that's given to us.
Mm-hmm.
They made SimDiff. Yeah.
Okay.
And they took the argument out.
And so you're saying they call sim somewhere in here. What's sim doing?
And they call somewhere in there.
I'm just gonna read it one by one. We had so much code. They looped through. They looped through. They put the args in there and push it into an array called args. Okay.
Args. 1. Okay. Function shift difference. Because all way one for each function item, array that index of one item, solve dot index of item. So the push item. We were close. It was like something like this.
Yeah, I wasn't using index of. I couldn't remember how to do index of within
apply reduce method to args array using the sim difference function.
Oh, and they use reduce. Reduce would have been perfect. They have other solutions too, and then they explain some more down here.
Oh, so they wrote the function within the function. Interesting. I wouldn't have done it that way, but
there's another solution.
Push is used to break down the argument objects to an array args. The SimDiff function finds the symmetric difference between the two sets if it's used as a callback function for the reduce method called on args. Array that for each pushes elements to result. So what's the symmetric difference return? The solution works for any number of sets. Yep. That sounds about right.
Here's another one. They use .filter.
They use .filter.
To filter for the item.
And they will another function within the function too.
Yeah.
Filter
and they
function.
Sliced it. I was trying to remember. I'm like, I swear you could do filter. But whatever. That index of and reduce. I know. Okay. And I want to see the last one. How they did that. Okay. Honestly, I never really used new set before.
Yeah, me neither. That's crazy.
And then they use the spread operator.
Yeah. I like that.
Me too.
I like the third option the best. If I were to do it, I'd want to do it that way.
Yeah. Well,
step one is, people say that you don't make progress with giant leaps. You make progress with little steps.
Yeah, we do. They said we were close. Homie Coach said that. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yes.
We were close. I was like, we had the right idea. We just didn't know how to do it.
Yeah, I didn't.
If anything, we spent the whole time writing the helper function.
Sorry. Sorry.
That's okay. So let's check out the cherry pie.
It's not a cherry pie. It's a raspberry pie.
Raspberry. All I know is that's not food.
We got a keyboard. Can't even see it.
It's too bright. It's right in the back though.
Yeah, it's right at the back. But how do YouTubers do it? They be like, wow. I don't know. Can't really see it still. And then your personal computer. So basically, Derek, it's like a computer. We got a mouse.
Nice.
Dang, we cannot see nothing. Where's the focus? And then we got power supply. And we got this bad boy.
Yeah.
And
SD card?
Yeah. And then we got instructions. I'm going to set up a whole new computer. I should do a stream with this. Raspberry Pi. So jealous you're going to have fun. Pi 400? Yes, it is. It is the Pi 400. Because all the other ones that I found were sold out. So I was like, I'll just buy this. I need a beginner's one anyways. Okay. Will you do this with me another day?
Yeah.
Was it so bad?
This
Or-
is too bad.
Yeah. Except
No.
for when I didn't believe you. I was like, he doesn't believe me, and this is why I don't like coding with. And I was like, oh, I was wrong.
You know, we got through it. We didn't answer the question, but we had the right idea. You know,
Yeah. And Bakari said Alco was good.
that's good.
Yeah. So
That's good to hear. Somebody tried it already.
yeah.
What do you want, Chads?
Bring him up. Show our cat. I would, but I'm on the other side. Come here, Shadow. Want to see our cat? Okay, never mind. He don't want to be seen. It's a black cat named Shadow. And he's lying down on the ground. But okay, thanks for watching this, y'all.
Yeah.
And thanks for
here.
Thanks for helping us debug a little bit. Bye.
Yeah, you said bye too, Chads.
I can't even click the end broadcast.